Under surveillance this morning, no extensions.
What incentives do countries have to negotiate? It seems that deadline keeps moving.
We didn't move, no. It's always been August 1st. August 1st they pay. And everybody pays, everybody has to pay. And the incentive is that they have the right to deal in the United States. If they don't want to, they don't have to pay and they don't have to deal here. But if they want to buy and make a lot of money and sell in the United States, they have to do that.
It's the latest this morning. President Donald Trump vowing not to extend his trade deadline beyond August 1. The president saying he plans to release trade updates for at least 7 countries later on this morning. Bloomberg's Tyler Kendall joins us now for more. Do we know who the 7 are, Tyler?
Yeah, hey, John. No, not at the moment, though we have gotten some indications on which countries could be gearing up to get a letter. On one hand, we know that those countries that President Trump has grown frustrated with were prioritized for letters, like how we saw Japan and South Korea get letters the other day. Perhaps that could indicate that some of those other trading partners, like India, for example, that President Trump keeps highlighting could be in the mix. But he did give us at least one really firm answer, which is that the European Union could be getting a letter in the coming days. That's considered to be kind of surprising since the European Union has been making progress towards a deal, with people familiar telling Bloomberg News that they are nearing a technical agreement in principle, with negotiators really focusing on getting carve-outs when it comes to the sector-specific tariffs. And that is why this new threat, particularly around pharmaceuticals and copper, is only going to complicate these negotiations for our trading partners going forward here. Because while we knew that the administration had launched these Section 232 investigations on the basis of national security concerns, the original intent was that they weren't supposed to be negotiated. They were supposed to have that more durable basis here for the administration. But now they've really come into the conversation in a meaningful way. John, when it comes to those copper-specific tariffs in particular, while we didn't know the date or the rate, 50% is considered to be, of course, pretty high. While it is in line with the steel and aluminum tariffs, it is higher than the original baseline we were expecting for sector-specific tariffs at 25%, which is only going to make those carve-outs that much more important.